Jinja. Jinja. And that's Japanese for a temple. Jinja.
Hello, it's very cold, but Michael say it's not cold.
Because it's not cold. It's not cold. There's Yuki-chan, Yoya-kun. Hi. Finally here with the Japanese cousins. Oh wow, this place is nice. Look at the big gate.
Oh yeah,
The tori.
the
Right, tori. The tori. There's the monk over there.
Yes.
Yeah, begging for alms.
Where?
Alms, the monk.
Oh, yeah.
Ah, sige.
Oh, my first time to come here. But you know, he is fond of going to Jinja.
Really?
Yeah, that's
Why?
why she knows this alone. He go alone anywhere Jinja here in Japan,
Uh-huh.
in Tokyo.
Is that fishball?
Fishbowl? Really?
Odango dumpling. Dumpling. A rice ball. Is it like onigiri? No. Odango is like a little
Mochi.
mochi.
Mochi